Hey everyone, I'm Kevin with JcrOffroad. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the installation of our front lower bash plate for the Ford Bronco Sport. Now to start things off, there's going to be just a little bit of disassembly you have to do. Now, it's really just going to be a couple fasteners here on each side, and which ones you have to remove kind of depends on whether you're already equipped with our JCR skid in place or if you're still running that factory splash guard. The biggest difference with that hardware is right here at this bolt location. We use a 5/16 button head here along with a nut clip that gets installed during the engine skid installation. So you can always check out that video for a little bit more detailed information on removing the factory fastener here and getting this installed. Now for those of you already running this engine skid, you're just going to need a 3/16 hex to get this loose and removed. And then kind of just ahead of and to the outside of that location, there's going to be a single hex bolt on each side that needs to be removed using a 10mm socket. So now we're ready to grab our skid and begin raising it into place. Now at each of those standoff locations, you can simply line it up and reinstall those factory bolts. We're just going to go ahead and get these started and leave them just a little bit loose for compliance while we get these rear fasteners in. Then at the rear, as long as you've already got those nut clips in place, we can simply reinstall that 5/16 bolt. Then if you haven't done so already, you can jump over to the other side and get that hardware started as well before making any minor alignment adjustment that you may need to and tightening things up. So that's all there really is to getting this installed and adding some protection to the front of your Bronco Sport. Now if you guys have any questions about this installation or any other product here at JcrOffroad, don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can send us an email at info@jcroffroad.com or just give us a call at 269-353-1184.